dances of the Devdasis and the Gotipuas. It is a soft lyrical dance which depicts the ambience of Odisha and the philosophy of its most popular deity, Lord Jagannath. Odissi has two major facets: Nritta, which is a pure dance which comprises of body movements in space and time, and Abhinay, where we used stylized mime. The technique of Odissi is repeated use of Tribhangi, which you all must have seen, which is a thrice deflected posture. One is the head or the neck, the torso and the leg, and Chauk, which is the position of Lord Jagannath. So if you see Lord Jagannath, the hands are like this in 90 degrees. So that is a depiction of, in the dance form, the postures we use. And there's a lot of torso movement. It's not hip movement, it's torso movement, which is the upper part of the body which is used. That's a speciality of Odissi dance. So the next item which we will be presenting is called Batu. Batu is derived from the sculptures from various temples in Orissa. It's again known for a temple in the state of Orissa. This item establishes core physical grammar of dance drawn from sculptures holding instruments like the veena, flute, drum and cymbals, elaborately carved in temple of Odisha. It has short dance phrases and repetitive music affairs. The origin of Batu comes from a pure dance offering in honor of Lord Batuka Bhairava. It is considered to be one of the most challenging items in Odissi dance. We will now be presenting Batu.